हाय हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज मैं आपके लिए 12th क्लास का फर्स्ट यूनिट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स लेके आया। लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का लॉस हो रहा है, तो मैं उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए आज पहला यूनिट फर्स्ट यूनिट 12th क्लास के लिए इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स स्टार्ट करते हैं, जिससे कुछ बच्चे हमारे फ़ायदा, कुछ स्टूडेंट हमारे फ़ायदा उठाते हैं। यस, लेट अस स्टार्ट। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज दैट टॉपिक? टुडे टॉपिक इज इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स. What is this electrostatics? It is a branch of physics. It is a branch of physics in which study about static charges and mutual interaction of charges. Laws, properties, concepts, etc. All these things are studied in that branch of physics. It is called electrostatics. Students, what is about in that branch of physics, electrostatics? This is depend on that word, electrostatics and mutual interaction of charges, and related the laws, properties, concept with the charges. So, what is important quantity? That important quantity which is depend on the electrostatics, that is electric charge. So now what is electric charge? Its symbol capital Q or small q. Now define electric charge. How we can define electric charge? When number of electrons are transferred from one substance to the another substance, it is said to be electric charge. Here in this figure, A is a substance and B is another substance. Electrons are transferred from A to B because arrow is shows the direction. Electrons are transferred from A to B. How many electrons are transferred from that? 2 electrons are transferred from A to B. It means A having 2 positive charge and B having 2 negative charge. Here, look here, n is equal to 2. That means these are the n. These are the n. How many n? 2. How many n? 2. So there n is equal to 2 and E, electron transfer. So what is the charge of electron? That is 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We can calculate the charge. So what is the charge formula? Q is equal to Ne. Y are transferred and these are the number. Electron and number. Electron and number. This is the N, this is the E. So this is the Ne. Ne is the charge. And symbol of charge Q. Symbol of charge Q. Q is equal to 2Ne. How many number of that? That is 2. And E 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. That is equal to 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Look here. How many type of electric charge? The type of electric charge, 2 type of electric charge. One is the positive charge, another is the negative charge. Positive charge means loss of electron. When loss of electron from one substance to the another substance, this is the mean of positive charge. If any substance gain of electron, it is the mean of negative charge. Here loss of electron, A loss of electron, so positive charge. B gain of electron, so here negative charge. That means gain of electron, negative charge, and loss. Now SI unit of electric charge. Unit is the base of the name of scientist that is discovered by Coulomb. So we can consider SI unit of electric charge as the name of scientist. It is Coulomb. So short symbol is Coulomb C. In serial system, that is ESU, that means electrostatic unit or stat Coulomb. Now, what is another question? How many type of charge quantity. That is the mean of it is scalar or vector. So here, look here, electric charge is scalar quantity because why? Because it has no direction. It has no direction. It has only magnitude. So what is the meaning of that? Those quantity have only magnitude known as scalar quantity. So electric charge has only magnitude, so it is called scalar quantity. Electric charge is a scalar quantity.